authorities unveiled the new andas that will be used for this year's Traslasyon. It has been redesigned with added safety features to help ensure an orderly and solemn procession. Here's the report.
Days before the actual Traslasyon, authorities unveiled to the public the andas that will be used this year. At first glance, it looks similar to last year's version. The handles or pinga remain in place. These are held by members of the Hijos del Nazareno to guide the carriage. The image of the Black Nazarene is still enclosed in protective glass, which officials say is not easily shattered. One major change this year is the addition of a steering wheel inside the andas, installed for the first time.
Kung mapapansin niyo ito, kahit 4-5 tao, madaling itulak to ngayon eh. Kahit to wala yung lubid. Pero siyempre, kung lalo na kung paahon ng tulay ng Ayala, importante talaga ang lubid.
Up to 5 people can fit inside the andas. Also installed inside are a generator set, fire extinguisher, and electric fans. The number of wheels has been increased to 4 instead of 3.
Itong mga inobasyon na to ay para mas maging maayos yung ating andas at maging handa sa palaging pagdami ng mga deboto. Nakita namin yung dating 3 gulong ay hindi sapat kahit na meron tong 2 balancer sa gilid.
A CCTV camera remains mounted at the back of the andas. The glass enclosure now has a perforated design with multiple holes.
Ang main purpose noon to balance yung temperature sa labas at loob ng glass enclosure to avoid yung o to minimize yung moisture na nagaganap.
Authorities are once again reminding devotees not to climb the andas this year, a reminder closely tied to its new design. The slope sliding design at the front of the andas makes it difficult to climb. Authorities earlier said their goal is to complete the Traslasyon in up to 15 hours. 2 sets of ropes are also on standby in case one snaps during the procession. Meanwhile, the Hijos del Nazareno appealed to fellow devotees to keep the celebration peaceful.
Pakikisa lang po sa kagustuhan ng simbahan para po sa yung darating na kapistahan maging solemn naman po at hindi walang kaguluhan.
Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline, Mon Gualvez, News 5.